around 6, and I am heading out today. It's gonna be a very long day today. Today, Monique is doing her very first gallons time at our new home. So there's gonna be that. So I'm sure you'll see footage of that on her social media at some point. But yeah, so today's the first gallons times. I am going to go to storage and try to get out a table because Monique has requested a white table. I'm gonna go get a table. We don't have our dining table yet. We recently moved in, so I'm going to storage, get a table for Mo. After I get that table for Mo, then I'm going to head over to the apartment, and I've hired someone from, I don't know if you've ever heard of it, it's a app called like TaskRabbit, T-A-S-K Rabbit, and it's almost like you can hire people to assemble your IKEA furniture or help you move or pick up IKEA furniture, stuff like that. So I tried to use it last time to have them assemble Alex's furniture when he was coming into the place, but that didn't work out. So I ended up assembling it myself. So yeah, so I'm gonna go meet this guy. He's gonna help me to take the big stuff from Alex's house to my house. After that, I'm going to our city, downtown area in our city. Every Saturday in our downtown city, I and the family, we pray. Okay, so there's been a slight change in my plans. So as I mentioned, I am on my way to storage, and then after storage, I'm gonna go meet this guy that I found on TaskRabbit, but he has canceled. So now I'm like, okay, what do I do? So now I'm just gonna go to storage. After I go to storage, I am gonna go ahead and go to Trader Joe's, pick up some flowers for Mo, and then I am going to head back to the house because now I got to figure out how to go and get that stuff from Alex's old apartment. All right, so a little bit of change of plans. So like I mentioned, the removal guy didn't show up and canceled. So because of that, I have to kind of shift. I was gonna ask someone who has a pickup truck, but one, I don't really like inconvenience people. It's Saturday morning, it's early, and I don't want to inconvenience them. I'm sure it's his only day off, so I don't want to do that. And then, I feel like people that have pickup trucks, usually people, is always asking them to move stuff, so I don't want to do that either. So I'm just going to leave that alone. The bed that we bought, I've already taken it apart, so I'm just going to go ahead and just take the bed. But the couch, I'm going to have to count that as a loss. And the mattress, I count that as a loss. And just move on. I'm going to go over there and try to clean up a little bit. And then I'm going to turn in the keys. And then I'm going to do all the other stuff that I need to do today. So these are the apartments that he used to stay at. Okay, so here's the spot. And just gonna clean up a bit, and then that'll be it. He did a good job of getting everything out. So I'm just gonna clean the fridge and the sink and stuff and be out. It just got done at clearing out Alex's place, or Alex's old place. Now I'm heading to the leasing office to turn in the keys. And then I'm on to Trader Joe's. Hopefully someone's here. They don't even open till 11. So I'm gonna have to come back. So I just got home. Bring me out the door. Love, where are you? Okay, so right now we are about to go into a gun range right now. So the boys will be shooting today. We're just doing the waivers right now. I just signed the waivers, emailed it over to him.
Okay, Dad.
You excited?
Yes.
You ready?
I'm not doing that.
You ready?
Yes.
Yeah? You excited? What?
Yes. Yes.
Alright. They don't look scared though. That was ready. Alright, so remember, so let me see that. That up. Put it in. Make sure you point it straight. And then pull that down or pull back. There you go. No fingers yet. Let's aim. So, contrary to popular belief, people think you hold tight here. You actually hold tight with this hand. You got a good sight picture and that dot is there. Go ahead and shoot. Did it have any kicks, okay?
Yeah.
Was it a lot?
Just a little bit.
I'll let you shoot this one. Tighten up my all the way. Stretch your legs out a little bit. Kind of like you fighting. There you go. Now you look like Call of Duty. Take the knife over. So just bring the dot to your head, not your head to the back. So can you see it? Alright, get your fighting stance. This is gonna be a little more kick. Bring the hand up. It's always your head and not your head. This is my head full. That's technically a bullseye. All of them in. That's perfect. I'm gonna report the gun. Okay, you ready? Come up. There you go. You got it. You see? Some good shoot. You got a lot of pressure. All right, like this. There you go. Take this. Stick it in. Are you strong enough to pull down on this with your thumb? Try it. Alright, this is right? Yeah.
Are you looking? You seeing that dot in the middle?
Yes.
All right, let's try it. One more. All right. Push that button. Let's see what you did.
Headshots.
1, 2, 3, 4. So one probably went high and went that way, but that's still good. He's down. He's not moving. Those are kill shots. That's still in. That probably didn't do anything.
Oh, it's heavy.
It's a little heavier. But remember, you got a dot now, so you got a cheat code. So this finger, watch the no triggers. Never put on the trigger until you're ready to shoot. So like that. Right. Make sure your hand is all the way up. You can put this thumb, let's turn it this way. You can put your thumb like that, and you can put this thumb right here. Bring that hand up a little more. Feel more sturdy?
Yes.
All right, lean forward a little bit, the body, not the bottom of you. So lean your body forward, and then bring this foot back. Kind of like a, there you go. All right, now. You see the red dot?
Yes.
See why I tell you to lean? So lean this way, there you go. One more. Hold on. Look at that hand. So that'll put your finger right here. Always up. And then this takes that place. I don't want it to fly out your hand. So hold that tight right there. Now you're ready. Watch the red dot.
Ah.
Shoot lower. Try to shoot toward the stomach. There you go. Good. How did that feel?
Good.
Call of Duty like?
Yes.
That's good. The first shot you were shooting high. That'll do 2 holes. And that's real good. What you think?
Yeah.
All the way up in the back. There you go. Yeah, you was doing it right. All right, turn it over. All right, pull that down.
Pull it down.
Yeah, there you go. Those hands. All right, gotta put that down in the middle, and we're aiming for the stomach. Whenever you're ready. Keep it down.
Got you again?
I'm gonna do this. We got about 3 inches. There you go. One more.
why we're there also.
So the gas, the gas in there, some of it comes back on you. I think you were aiming a little high. We figured out. I think you're aiming up there too. So I think that's you. 1, 2, 3. I know those 3 are. Maybe that's 1, 4. See why I show you one hand at a time? Because that one hand helps you. So you always get this hand right first. So take it off, just this hand. So see how my thumb is up here? There you go. And then all this real estate is for this. Up a little bit. There you go. All right. I think that trigger's harder.
So how was the gun range for you? Go ahead, tell mom.
So the first gun I liked more because it was lighter, but the second one.
Oh, so the 22. The 22 is light, right?
Yeah, cause
I kind of like the 22.
It was lighter and less loud. And like,
Take her outside with that.
What? You got all this?
yes. Cause for me it
He's
was.
so excited.
For me, it was like just like the loudness, but like it wasn't really like.
Oh, he doesn't love loud.
That's what I was saying to him. I said to him,
Remember the monster
as I said to them, I said, who was crying at the monster truck because it was loud? And then everyone looked at Zonda and pointed and it was like, oh, Zonda. And I was like, you gonna be okay with the guns? And he's like, yeah.
They didn't have ears?
Oh yeah, you had to.
Oh,
You had
I
to.
was gonna say, like,
Yeah.
Dad,
Yeah.
let's let this outside. The gun was taking the glasses.
That
Dad,
one was very.
do I put this outside?
my body. Like,
yeah, you could
shaking.
play with it outside.
that's why the first time we shot it, like I heard all the other guns, and it wasn't like loud. And then the guy shot that thing, and I literally jumped because I was not.
Yeah, I know. I was not prepared for that either. I was like, man, how was it, Sakai, for you?
What do you mean how? What?
Which one was your favorite that you shot?
The second one.
So the 9mm.
Eat food, Papa.
The third one, the trigger was like kind of hard to pull and it was like really heavy.
I couldn't pull the first one for
Yeah.
some reason.
But
Like I think because you're meant to like pull like at the bottom of the trigger, but I think I was pulling like halfway or something.
We could
Like,
put
in the
something
middle.
on it.
So it was
So
hard
it
for me to pull it.
stays.
Yeah.
Do not let that go in here.
Can I put that in my room? Like,
No, you could keep those ones in your room, but these ones you could put something
If it comes out of your room, then it's gonna go up. I don't. I just rather not.
Excuse me,
It's
Dad.
a balloon. You take a picture. It will last longer.
Dad,
Yes.
do you know the password for my PlayStation to like sign in?
I don't know.
on the second one,
The second gun.
yeah, on the second gun,
Did you like it with the silencer, the suppressor?
oh yeah,
No, it was-
I liked it with that.
it felt like more heavy. And
It was heavy.
Oh yeah.
And it was
The suppressor made it
Can you put
better.
this?
I liked. I didn't like. Okay. I didn't like the 9mm with the suppressor. I liked it without. Maybe because I like the kickback and the boom. You know.
Was it a cool experience though, guys? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Would you guys go back?
Yes. With the suppressor, when I was like aiming for like the target on the head, it was like hitting back at me and like little stuff was flying at my face and it was like so hot.
Oh yeah, the suppressor it smelled like
You guys saw that for your own mother.
I know.
Wait, Dad, did the guy say that you can't bring the suppressor home?
Yeah, suppressors are illegal.
No.
So
Illegal?
illegal. You're not allowed to have them. You can't have suppressors.
So
So
his room was cool.
his room was so cool.
Was his room cool, you guys?
Yeah, he had like action figures and figures and everything.
Is it in his garage or where's
No, they have their own like room.
Oh yeah, their man rooms.
Yeah,
Girl room.
yeah. She's got a girl room and he's got his man room.
With,
yeah.
His wife
Yeah,
had
he had like a-
Valentine's thing, huh?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
he had like a whole wall and it was just like guns.
And he was probably so excited to show you guys that, huh?
Yeah. He was cool. You know. So
That's awesome, boys. I'm glad that Daddy went and you guys got to hang out and meet Patrick and hang out with him and shoot some guns.
yeah, he's really cool. I like him.
His wife seems cool.
Yeah.
I'm glad like we met new friends that I feel like we need diversity in our friendships. So
Yeah.
I'm like happy that.
Yes. All right. So where we gonna go to eat? Oh,
Oh, pizza. 100%.
No.
Yes, like a pizza
That was your
restaurant.
wings.
No, like a pizza restaurant. Like the place that we ate with Alex that time.
oh, that place.
No,
Yeah.
he's saying like a place like that. So like.
Oh.
pizza.
Yeah.
Or that place.
Can we get that? Like.
What day was that? Cause kids eat free on
What
that
about
day.
the place that we went on Donna's birthday?
Yeah, that's what he's saying.
What?
The pizza place.
Oh, no, I'm not talking about that.
The restaurant
What?
that was like pizza buffet, remember?
Yeah, and you can make
Yeah.
any kind of pizza.
What were you gonna say, okay?
Can we get that hot wings place that we got in Arkansas? What?
Oh, Buffalo Wild Wings?
Yeah.
That place was good.
But the pizza place I was talking about was,
Either that or Jesus.
the one near Costco. Like,
Oh, the pizza places near Costco, there's a lot of pizza places.
Let's just go to Costco then. Just get pizza and call it a day.
No.
You guys are bougie.
I don't want.
Dad doesn't want to pay $100 for pizza.
Dad, can you pour me some, please?
wait, how did you guys make this?
I said to drink water, you've been eating chocolate and everything.
Did you have fun, Zara, with your friends?
Yes.
How did you guys make it without the cars like going?
Then 3 of the girls made that together. That's cute. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Is it drying?
Rip the
counter
chat.
You're gonna put a picture of you guys in it.
Yeah, they are. We took pictures of them so we could have them forever. It needs to dry. It's really wet.
Yeah. I won't even mess with that for a couple of days.
Uh-huh.
I say Chick-fil-A.
No, not Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, I'm not.
Well, it's because you guys
I want
ate
like pizza or like wings.
chocolate.
I'm good with pizza or wings. That sounds good.
Yeah, pizza.
Can we get little
Yeah,
Caesars
pizza,
with the
pizza
wings?
and wings.
Yeah, pizza.
Yeah, so
and-
like breadsticks, so little Caesars, and then two pepperoni boxes, one breadstick bag, and then the red sauce for the breadsticks, and then the buffalo wings of those. Actually, yeah, two breadsticks.
They're hungry. You can tell that
Yeah.
poor guys. They're like naming every single thing. Are you
Seriously.
and I just gonna go get it and bring it back?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay. That way they don't have to come out.
Yeah.
We can
So
leave
how was
now
it, love?
already.
Were you happy with it?
Yeah, I'll tell you when we leave. I'll tell you.
Okay.
That's good.
I couldn't end this video without giving a big shout out to my mate Patrick over at Tactically Favored. Thank you for taking me and my boys out to the gun range today. Thank you for teaching us gun safety. You can go ahead and follow Patrick over at Trigonometry. I've put the link right here in this video. It's also in the description. And thanks once again, mate. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our page, Brown2 for Life, for more videos coming to you soon. God bless. Peace.